What's going on YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in another video for the Mark V R32. So today we're talking about the pulley accessories. I could just call them accessories even though they're just really the assistance to go to the tension pulley. There's two of them actually. If you look here, if I can get it just right, the first one, this is the tensioner pulley obviously, and then where that light's shining right there and then is that one, and then the other one sits literally right below, straight down that way. If I can get it to zoom in just right, but looks like I have to just adjust the camera, and hopefully there she is right there, barely visible, kind of hard to see. Anyways, these are 14 meters each. They've been superseded from Charlie to Foxtrot. And you can see the lower part, actually the belt sits right on top of it, so the ribs tend to make a groove on it. So they tend to fail, but you know, it is what it is, and I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you guys know. Must for maintenance when you're doing the Serpentine belt after X amount of mileage, of course. So anyways, stay posted, stay tuned, stay informed, subscribe, hit that like button. I'll talk to you guys then.